Hey, it's Hillary Baggett, host of Hill Talks Momentum in Midlife. And today I'm bringing you a unique conversation. Have you ever wondered, what am I doing with my life? Or what do I want to do with my life? And not having any idea what the answer to that question is. Well, if so, then this episode is for you. Have you ever considered, are you a job creator or a job beggar? You're just trying to find anything that will work for you, but you don't really know how to find the right fit for you, for where you are, for this moment. Well, after a decade working in vocational rehab, shifting gears to counseling, and even going through her entrepreneurial journey and the founder of KidsArt global franchises, Shell Mendelsohn crashed and burned. And then the ADHD diagnosis shed the light on why all this was happening, which led her to this moment right here and right now. So stay tuned if you want to hear about creative people who are great problem solvers, but they might struggle in their career, at work, and in the organization of those daily tasks that are just not the right fit for you. Enjoy.